Grabe, everyone worked so hard for this. And now it's time to level up our goals and dreams. So let's get ready, set new goals, and launch into the next phase.
So bakit ko ba ito sineshare? Connected ba to? Yes, because ito yung nagpapakita na kay Powerhouse pwede ka mag-grow.
The slogan that said, powerhouse lang ang malakas. Talagang kahit yung in-house team ko sa Aboitiz ay iniidolo ang powerhouse.
I once have read na your job will provide you with all your needs, but your other job and your side hustle will provide you in fulfilling your dreams.
Masayang magtrabaho sa ganitong company na may ganitong integridad at reputasyon, yung mga resources, tools at saka yung mga advices na galing kay Sir Carl at kay Ma'am Jen. Malaking tulong para maging ma-develop kami sa properties ko.
Kaya nga sa Skyrocket, mabilis yung paglipad. At ako naniniwala, when you say Skyrocket, maraming kasama. At take note, wala po dapat naiiwan.
From puting wall to LED wall. Nice, nice. Ang ganda talaga. Proud lang ako sa aking na-achieve.
Thank you, Powerhouse, for being a big part why my life changed now. I know why God truly blessed Sir Carl and Ma'am Jen kasi lahat ng kaya nilang ibigay at itulong sa lahat ng sellers na nandito is binibigay at ginagawa nila.
And sabi ko, darating po yung time na ako naman aakyat sa stage. Darating yung time na ako naman ma-awardan.
The journey is you. And guys, you have the power to become successful. Powerhouse lang ang malakas.
Powerhouse lang ang malakas!
Powerhouse lang
malakas! Powerhouse lang malakas!